Welcome, I'm using Nubia N1 Lite, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So to get started, all you need to do is find the content that you wish to capture, which as an example I'm gonna use the settings. So right here, once it opens, there we go. So once you have it open, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down, so both of those keys at the same time. You'll get this animation and your screenshot has been captured. Now the image itself can be found in the photo gallery, so let's find wherever that is. Photos right here. And you can see there it was for a split second till it disappeared. Go to albums and there is a screenshot folder, and in it you can see the image itself. So that is how you would capture a screenshot, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.